Hi, so today we decided to go with the mini fan, but before that, I'd like to welcome you to my vlog. It's been a while, but I'm more engaging in these voice notes or voice overs, getting comfortable, ain't we? Interesting. So here we have our mini fan in the shape of a bear. Although on the cover, she ticked a reindeer. Is it a reindeer or a deer? Yeah, but it's a bear shape. I really like it. Even the color. Even though I'm more of a purple pink girly, I don't mind the color. It's pretty. Yeah, and I find it quite useful nowadays because the sun outside, it's scorching hot. Yeah, so I kind of like it. The breeze, it came with although I will replace it with a phone charm, but for now we can just add this one. So yeah, here's my mini fan, and let's get back to the vlog. This was the next day, and I was heading to a checkup. They were offering free services, and I was like, you know what, I guess it's time to go for that checkup that I've been wanting to do for both dental and checkup in general from many areas. And so we arrived quite early. As you can see here, I was number 106, and the queue was quite long, but it's because we were a lot of people. But I enjoyed the aesthetic. It was so pretty. Oh my gosh, and the people were so friendly, especially when they were like you know assigning you where you're supposed to sit, where you're supposed to go. Yeah, I even met some of my friends here from high school, and I made friends that day. I was so happy about it. I got to do um, checkup for H. pylori and my teeth, which the dental part was so hectic, but it was quite good. And then later we had to go to the mall, or just right, it's called TRM, just there resemble. We are going to pick up something and then head home. That's my friend right there, though she wasn't comfortable in seeing my vlog, in being in my vlog. But you know what? It's quite okay. I'm getting the hang of these voiceovers. Yay to me! But anyways, yeah, I felt the need to say that this is us. I couldn't record this stuff, but yeah. Anyways, the next vlog. This is the next day, and I was told to come back to do some dental checkup again, as we were not done yesterday. But the trick is, I was told I had to remove both or do a root canal, which I was scared. Honestly, I don't like needles, and I just couldn't.